Automatic loading machine. Belt double-sided electrostatic dust removal. Powerful dust blowing with double air blowers. Into the oven preheating. 3 groups of induction temperature control lamps, accurate temperature control. Sticky dust roller to remove floating dust. Into the coating system, precision coating, even spreading glue. Then enter the laminating machine. Automatically trimming the long side of the film. Manually trimming the short side of the film and separating the boards. Automatic unloading machine. Reciprocating automatic pro cotton laying.